What's up, Rockers YouTube? Lone Star Rocker channel here, and we are at the Juno Beach Pier today to get a little fishing in. Hopefully they're biting, so why don't you come along and see if we catch the fish. We've got our bait and our gear. We're gonna go catch a shark, man. Jaws is out there waiting for us.
Yeah.
Where's your salt life sticker?
Oh, let's see what the salt life sticker is. It is right here.
It's a cool little buggy you got there, man. Let's go fishing. So what kind of bait are you going to use?
We're using lures today.
Okay.
So this is what they call a Clark spoon. And we put a little, like about a 40-pound fluorocarbon leader to the spoon, and then you got this weighted float.
Okay.
The weight helps you cast it out. The float keeps it on the surface. I was surfing right here 2 days ago. There's a shit ton of mackerel jumping around. If you look down the way, you'll see somebody pulling one up now.
Yeah, you can see it running back there.
Here. Down there should most of them probably are today.
Yeah.
There you go. See him? I like to fry them. Southern beer better fry or whatever. They're good boiled. I don't eat them all the time, but a couple times a year I do. I'm kind of picky on my fish. Get it out there and speed up that retrieve. Keep doing it and play the numbers.
Just got to get a good cast.
Get it drop easy to go. Tighten the line. I don't buy newspapers. No, not already there. So, you know, but it makes it hard because you can't move.
What did he get?
Well, they get a fish and then they can't swallow it.
Well,
Then they choke to death. Where are you? Ah. Right here?
got some sardine on there.
You can drop right here. Usually something in close, but
Wooden snook season.
I mean it's season now. You can keep one now, but they just don't bite much right now.
It's a cuda.
Occasional fish is a little bit slow though. I think most of the action's going to be, you know, right when they open anyway, but they break.
Well, we're done fishing for today. We caught 2 mackerel, but it was a lot of fun out here for sure. If you're ever in Juneau and you want to do some pier fishing, you should come out here and check it out. It's always best to get here early. Anyway, I'm gonna head back to Texas, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want y'all to rock on.
Betty, we can eat this right now.
Yeah, you say you can eat that right now. You want to here? You want the town?
Here, Cliff.
Good, Cliff. This one. There you go. Hold it on the back.
Don't break the back flipper.
I know.
Oh my God.
Oh, no, no. At the back.